Hey everyone, welcome back again to another video tutorial on this channel. In this video, we talk about how it works if you want to block the incoming, as well as outgoing calls on iPhone. And let's also discuss the situation with multiple different SIM cards. So let's get started right now. First of all, there is the ability to block calls in a number of different ways. If you have a specific caller that you want to block, you can find them in your phone app, and tapping on more information about that call allows you to block that specific phone number from being able to contact you in the future. Besides this, you can also set up a do not disturb mode or any other type of the focus mode, which will most definitely get the job done, as you can specifically pick which people can contact you and which cannot. But I understand that it may not work in every situation. But if you want a broad approach and solution that will cover the entire ability of making calls or receiving them, then you'll need to ask your carrier about it. In the iPhone settings, you can't just turn off the phone calls making capability, just like you can disable the cellular data. So that's why your carrier will need to sort this for you. I, of course, have no idea what your carrier is, but let me give you an example of what it might look like. So, for example, if you're using T-Mobile in the US, what you could do is to get in touch with them using this phone number. It's all on their website. They have a dedicated section for exactly this problem. And it reads that they offer the ability to block international outgoing calls, as well as text messages, which might be something for you. They tell you that it cannot be sorted online, so you need to give them a call. Obviously, it's just one carrier, but my point is that you can expect your carrier to have this feature available. So that would be it from me. I really hope I could help you out with that. Please leave a comment below letting me know what's going on in your current situation, and I'll try to look into it. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.